Hi everybody, I'm about to make some tacos. We're gonna first start off with some ground turkey. And I've already defrosted the meat, so I'm just gonna put the meat inside the pot. And we're gonna let it brown. And while we're letting it brown, I'm going to just kind of stir it up a little bit. Chop it up because I do have a few frozen pieces in here, so I'm going to go ahead and stir that in and allow this ground turkey to brown. Okay, the meat is just about browned all the way through, so the next step is to drain this and start adding in the seasoning mix. Okay, I just drained the meat. I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning. So this at 1 packet seasoned to 1 pound, so I have about 2 pounds of meat. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 packets of taco seasoning. And have to keep in mind too that this whole pack has 3 carbs, so got to keep that in mind. Sometimes your seasoning has carbs as well, so you got to incorporate that into the in your daily numbers. You may have to run this through like a recipe tool so it could let you know what the nutritional information would be total for the whole dish. And I know now this has 6 carbs in it for the whole pot. So, and I know my portion is not going to be really much to register this, but it just depends on how much. Just depends on how much I eat. And to be honest with you, 6 carbs is really not much. So I'm really not. I don't mind that. So I'm mixing in the seasoning. Now, this is something I always do. I love to put Rotel in my mix. So I have Rotel and total carbs. I have 5 total carb, 1 fiber. That is, yes, 4 net carbs. Also, too, I want to add that is 4 net carbs per serving. The serving is 2.5, so there's 2.5 servings per can. So I'm just putting 1 can of Rotel in here. Also adding about 3/4 of a cup of water. So we'll let that simmer. Gonna also add some other seasoning. I think I'm gonna put 1 other seasoning in here, and it's gonna be the Garlic Guru seasoning. And I know for a fact this has no this has no carbs in it. This is just herbs and spices. So just put a little of the Garlic Guru in there and we'll let it simmer. Okay, so now I have the meat simmering. It's completed browning. I added all the seasoning. So now I'm about to chop up my fixings for it. So let's see what we're going to put on it. Alright, so these are my fixings. I have lettuce, onions, cheese, tomatoes. Also have sour cream. Sour cream does not have but 1 carb in it. Also I have some Sabra guacamole, and it has 1 gram of net carb per serving. Also have this Ortega taco sauce. It's mild, and it has two, actually no, not two, one net carb per serving. And these are some taco shells that I bought. This taco shell has 14 net carbs. I know earlier in my video I said 13, but it's actually 14 net carbs. And that's for 2 shells. So I can have one shell for like 8 grams of carbs, net carbs. Also have these carb balance wraps. This is the whole wheat tortilla, which has 5 net carbs. And I also have the flour one that has 6 grams. So those are my fixing. I might just have one of the taco shells, and I'm not sure what else, whether I'm gonna have one of these or whether I'm gonna use the lettuce as a wrap, because I can do that, but we shall see. And voila, the finished product. I ended up doing a lettuce wrap. Also, I have one taco shell, so I put really all the fixings on there. So this is what I am about to eat. So I can't wait. Thank you for listening, or thank you for watching. Sorry about that. And I'll be coming to you with more videos.